These miniature car unboxing videos are going absolutely viral on social media right now. And take a look at this Instagram page. They have just started and already pulled in over 6,000 followers purely by posting this exact style of content, and some of their videos have already racked up an insane number of views. Now watch what I created in just 2 minutes. Ugh. Here's the full method to create these videos for free. First, all you need is this master prompt. You'll find the link in the description. Copy the entire master prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Switch to video mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and select Omni Flash as your video model. Set the video duration to 10 seconds. Once everything is ready, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. Now go to the vehicle name section of the prompt. Here, you can enter any car you want. For this example, I'm using the BMW M4 Competition. Click Generate and wait a few minutes while Google Flow creates your miniature car unboxing video. And that's it. Your miniature car unboxing video is ready. You can create endless variations using any car model you like. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next viral AI content ideas.